Hi guys, it's Becca here. For today practice, we're going to be doing some free movements, and I love this kind of practice because it allows you to kind of explore where your body's limitations at, or just allow yourself the freedom just to move with your own rhythm. And sometimes it's really fun to put on your favorite music, your favorite band, singer, whatever it is that you want to listen to during this, and just let the music take you away, or just allow your body the freedom to move however it is you want. So basically we're going to get into some positions, and from those positions we're just going to create some free movement. So you can take it as far as your body wants to go, or you can limit it a little bit, or maybe even you're staying in that position and just being mindful and allowing your body relax into that position. So it's basically all up to you how far you go, what movements you want to do, or whatever it is that your body needs this morning, this evening, this afternoon, wherever you are in the world at the moment. So yeah, we're going to get on our mats. We're going to be mostly on our mats. We're not going to do too much standing stuff today. So, and you don't need any props, because this is pretty much all about freedom and exploring where our body and our limitations are at this morning, this evening, this afternoon, wherever you are. All right. Shall we get on our mats? All right, let's go. So I'm going to start in a reclined position. So just finding your spot on your mat, taking a moment here just to let yourself settle in. Take a moment to allow yourself to get on the floor and comfortable. Sometimes that's a task in itself, I know. So make a second for yourself. Bring your knees up to start. Allow the muscles, the joints, the bones to kind of settle into the mat. Tap your shoulder blades under so they're nice and flat out onto the mat. Your spine is just at neutral for now. And we're just going to take our knees up towards our belly just to massage out the lower back a little bit. So grabbing hold of the knees or around the knees if that feels okay. And you're just going to start to rock side to side. Close your eyes. Start to relax the face, relax the jaw, relax the belly. You can do circles here if you want. Any kind of movements. Remember, guys, this is your movements this morning. So if you have your music on, whatever it is, grab something and just start moving. And then from here, we're just going to draw circles in opposite directions, opening and closing the knees. So just getting right into those hip joints. You can even explore just kind of going side to side. But we're really seeing our limitations where our hips want to go. You might notice that your lower back, as the knees pull in, presses against the mat. And as they pull away, it arches off the mat. You'll feel your sacrum. You can roll around your sacrum a little bit so that big triangular bone at the base of your spine has lots of nerve endings. You might feel little ridges there as well. Beautiful. Good. And then we're going to start to bring our feet up into the air. So pointing the soles of our feet towards the sky. If you can, grab hold of your big toes with your two first fingers. If you can't manage that, you can grab hold of behind the knees or maybe the ankles. Good. You want your upper body relaxed here. And we're just going to kind of go side to side to start. Maybe even pulling the knees down a little further towards the shoulders. And then I'm encouraging you to explore here. So maybe you found your toes for the first time and you're seeing what kind of weird movements you can do with your fingers stuck to your toes or behind your knees or your ankles. So anything goes. You're just playing. You're just playing in your movements. There's no wrong or right in free movement. You're kind of see where your body's limitations are at, what feels good, maybe what doesn't feel so good today. And that's okay. And there's no judgment there. You're just understanding a little bit more and just playing. I once heard that the secret to life is to act like a kid at least once a day. I have to agree. It's kind of fun. Makes you feel young. So once again, any kind of movements. Even if you want to be still, that's quite okay.
Beautiful. Sometimes it feels good to kind of try to walk on the ceiling or bicycles. Good. And then we're going to do some spinal rocking. So just getting a little momentum and rocking back and forth on our spine, loosening up. If that's not working for you, just turn over to one side and we'll come up and sit right up here on our sit bones, knees in front of us. Good. So sitting up nice and tall, knees are bent, feet are planted. We're just going to give our legs a little bit of a hug here and just lean back, hollowing out the belly, letting the head drop. And then take your chin up towards the right shoulder and look past. And then dip it all the way back down towards the chest and up towards that left side. And this is freedom of movement, guys. So pausing wherever your body says, yeah, that's a good spot. Pause there. Take a breath. Keep breathing. Don't hold that breath. Good. And then we're going to take our hands behind us for support. To anywhere that feels okay. Widen your feet and mount your own mat width apart. Knees are still bent. Open up the chest so it sits up nice and high. And then we're just going to take our knees side to side, just like windshield wipers. So take your time, or maybe have lots of energy and you could go a little bit faster. It's up to you. Maybe you have your favorite song and you're moving to your rhythm. Good. So maybe it's just here. Maybe each time your knee comes down a little bit further, never force it. Just see where your limitations are at. If your hips are a little tight, then go slow. To add a little extra, you can bring the knees over to one side. Lift up your opposite hand. So I'm on my right side down, and my left arm is going to come around for a big stretch and reach behind me. I can pause there. It feels really yummy. Or I can take it over to the other side and keep moving through that. Keep breathing. So inhaling as you come up and then exhaling to twist. Sometimes it feels good to pause there, do a little dip, getting into the chest a little bit. Keep breathing, inhaling up and exhaling behind. Beautiful, you guys. One more. Good. And then we're just going to cross our legs and roll over top of our knees, coming into tabletop position. Or however you can get there yourself. So taking a chance to just get your shoulders and your wrists lined up. So wrists are directly underneath the shoulders. Press your fingertips down into the ground. Knees are lined up over the hips here. And we're just going to flow through some cats and cows here to start with our own breath. So as you exhale, dipping your chin, rounding through the shoulders, the mid-back, and then finally the lower back, trying to point the tailbone down towards the floor, hollowing at the belly. As you inhale, you can drop the belly and take the chin and the tailbone up towards the sky. Go as fast or as slow as you want. Freedom of movement. I like to move with my breath, so nice deep exhales. So round out through the belly, taking the spine up towards the sky, tailbone down, and then inhaling as I drop the belly and taking chin and tail up. I encourage you to close your eyes here and just feel out what your body's telling you as you move through these two positions. And then freedom of movement, okay, guys? So anything goes. I like doing peanut butter jar ribs. So imagine cleaning out your peanut butter jar with your ribs going all the way around the jar, to the sides, to the top. You can dip your head, shake it out a little bit. You can even move your arms. So sometimes stretching out to one side and leaning back feels really good. So explore. What kind of stretches can you do here that feel really good for you? Where does you feel a little sticky? How can you move to get it out? So just working in all your joints, your rib cage, your hips, your shoulders. And there's no right or wrong in freedom of movement, guys. It's just you. Good. Excellent. And just coming back to a neutral position, we're going to widen our knees here a little bit and bring our big toes together. And on an exhale, we're going to sink our butt back onto the heels. And then inhale right back up. So just getting a little mobility into the hips. Exhale to sink back into your child's pose. If you want to stay there a moment longer, go ahead. Or you can keep moving back and forth to these two positions here. Beautiful. And coming right back to neutral, bring the knees right underneath the hips again. We're going to take our left hand into the center of the mat. Next inhale, bring your right arm up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, I'm just going to turn forward so you can see me. You're going to thread the needle. So bringing that right arm between the arm and the leg, reaching through. And then inhaling right back up and exhaling through. Once again, go as fast or as slow as you want. So if you find that sticky spot where you're like, ooh, yeah, that's the spot, then hold there for a breath. If it feels good to go a little bit faster and move with your breath, inhaling up and exhaling through, then do that. And then on our next one, we're actually going to bring it all the way through. If you feel comfortable with that, bringing the right side of our head down onto the mat. You can use this left hand for support, or if you're feeling okay here, you can wrap the hand behind the back, almost trying to lift the shoulder up towards the sky. One more breath. And we'll come right back on your inhale and give one more counter stretch up towards the sky. Good. And we'll come right back onto hands and knees. Wiggle out a little bit, move around, adjust, and we'll do the other side. So next inhale, take that left arm or opposite arm towards the sky. And then exhale to thread the needle, bringing it all the way through. Inhale up. And exhale through. Once again, go as fast or as slow as you want. If you found that spot, call on your name, hold there for a moment. Might feel a little different on this side versus the other, so you might have to adjust. 2 more. And as you're ready, you can thread all the way through your needle, coming right down onto that shoulder, left side of your head, using your right hand for support, or maybe even curling it behind you. Don't force anything, okay, guys? Two nice deep breaths. Good. And coming right back. Excellent. So from our tabletop position here, we're going to do one more before we go. So if you're feeling some balance today, we're going to take our right arm out in front. Keep your tummy nice and firm so it's in a nice long line, as if you have a teacup on your back and you don't want to spill your tea. If you're feeling okay there, gently lift your left leg up. So right arm, left leg, keeping belly nice and firm and tuck in, and hips kind of in line there. Good. If you're feeling okay with this, you can reach back and see you can tap your toes behind you. Inhale back. Exhale, reach. If you focus on something on the floor in front of you, it always helps balance. Keep breathing. Good. One more. Excellent. Come back onto all fours. Give yourself a moment to sit back into child's pose or get into a comfortable pose before we do the other side. Take a deep breath, move around a little bit, adjust. And coming right back onto our all fours, tabletop position. Left arm Get your balance, set your drishti or your point of focus, and then right leg. Good. Once you feel okay, you can stay here or maybe even, bring in like this if that feels better. Or if you have some balance today, you can reach back, see if you can touch your toes back there. Inhale out, exhale back. One more. Last one, you guys. Beautiful. And taking a moment just to let your hips sit back onto the heels once again. Sometimes feels good just to stack your fists. Let your forehead sit on your fists. You can even massage out your forehead either on the mat or on your fists here, allowing your head to just sway nice and side to side. Good. As you peel up, just sweep your feet to one side, sink your bum down beside the feet. We'll come into comfortable seat here. Whatever comfortable seat you want. Sit up nice and tall, find your sit bones, roll your shoulders up, back, and gently press them down. Good. We're going to inhale the arms up. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Take your right hand and bring it to the side and reach on over. And we're going to go back and forth here for a couple breaths. Try to keep your sit bones planted, so try not to let your bone come off when you reach over. And once again, just go to your own rhythm, your own breath. Inhaling up and exhaling to come over to the side. Try to keep your chest lifted. So when you come over, try not to close the chest down towards the ground. Keep it lifted towards the sky. Couple more here. Keep breathing. Nice, deep, open breaths. 2 more. Beautiful. And right back to center. Inhale the arms up. Guide them down towards heart center. Let's find something we feel grateful for today. Close your eyes. No matter how big or small, find something to smile about, something that you're grateful for. Maybe even finding a tough or challenging situation and finding something in that situation that you have gratitude for. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you liked your little practice and just getting your joints moving and moving with your own rhythm and flow, understanding your body a little bit more. Thanks, guys.